Hi, today we're going to take a look at the Predom 177 target pistol. This gun is a Polish gun, and it's I guess a military training gun. It looks a lot like the Walther LP53. I mean, it's almost identical to the Walther LP53. So anyway, I got this gun, and I actually like it a lot. It's very different the way it cocks. So when you cock it, basically it cocks and this lever pushes the spring down. Okay, the spring in this is in the handle, and opening this up and resealing it, there's actually two springs in here, a larger one and then a smaller one that's on the inside of it, and it goes on a spring guide. The barrel is about 9 inches long, but about right here it's got a freebore in it to where it's a little bit larger than the 177 caliber, and I believe that there's supposed to be a cocking aid that you can put in here and cock it, because it is a bear to cock. Anyway, this gun is I chronoed it, and it chronos at about 437, 438, right in there, give or take a little bit. The piston is located vertically in the gun, and which is kind of unusual. It's been done before by other guns, but it's unusual that the piston actually gets cocked this way and it pushes up like this. So anyway, this gun has a solid fixed sight in the front. The back sight has both adjustments for the windage and the elevation. All in all, it's a pretty nice little gun. Now this gun here, it's stamped right here, was made in 1970. So anyway, let's go shoot this. I'm going to give you a little look at it real close here. And when I shoot it, I'll kind of show you how it cocks in that a little bit better. So the reason I'm wearing this glove is because this part right here, it tends to dig into your hand when you cock it. And so I decided to wear the glove to protect my hand a little bit. So anyway, let's shoot this a little bit. You see how this cocks. You do not want to touch the trigger because there is no anti-bear trap on this, and there is not a safety. And it takes a little bit to cock. It's not a super easy gun to cock. That's probably, why it has the power. Actually, there's a double spring in here. Now, I'm surprised how accurate this gun is. It's pretty nice. Okay, let's look at it. So, it looks like I think I shot it 10 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, looks like 8, 9, 10. Pretty impressive little gun. And when I chronoed this gun was shooting at about 439, 440. So it's a pretty powerful little gun too. Pretty impressive little gun. I really like it. So that's it for the Predom 177 caliber target pistol. I was impressed. It shoots really good. I love these old guns. They're so much fun. The guns nowadays, I don't even see a comparison. The way they used to make guns is so much nicer. So anyway, that's it for the Predom 177 today. I'll show it to you one more time real quick. You all have a good one, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye now.